White radishes, amazing for diabetics. Radishes, popularly known as mooli in India, might not top the list of your favorite vegetables, but when it comes to nutrition and health benefits, they definitely secure a top rank among all other vegetables. Eat them raw or add them to your healthy vegetable recipe. These nutrition-loaded root vegetables have numerous benefits to offer. Regulates blood pressure. Radish has antihypertensive properties that help to regulate and control high blood pressure. Radish is rich in potassium that helps to maintain the sodium and potassium balance in the body. A study published in Nutrition Research and Practice found that radish leaves lowered blood pressure. Good for diabetics. Radishes are very low in saturated fat and cholesterol. It is also a good source of vitamin B6, calcium, iron, magnesium and phosphorus, and a very good source of dietary fiber, vitamin C, folate, potassium and copper. Insulin, a hormone secreted by the pancreas, is responsible in the absorption of glucose. Diabetics are either unable to absorb the insulin which body produces or unable to produce insulin. Because of this, they cannot eat sugary or starchy foods. High in fiber and with a low glycemic index, diabetics can enjoy radish as it does not cause blood sugar levels to rise. For the person with diabetes, it is well documented that radishes have a low glycemic index of 32 and a GL of 0, which means that eating them do not impact blood sugar levels. When it comes to managing your blood sugar, radishes make a healthy addition to your diet plan. And as a cruciferous vegetable, radishes also may help lower your risk of diabetes. Radishes are also helps to cure certain types of cancers. Cancer can be lowered by eating radishes such as lung, kidney and also colon cancer. Add sliced radishes to your salad greens for some crunch, steam or boil them for a tasty, low-calorie, low-carb vegetable side dish. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Diabetes with this curry. Diabetes is a disease in which your blood glucose is too high because it cannot properly make or use insulin. Glucose comes from what you eat and having too much of it can damage your body. Because of this, it is important for any diabetic person to cook and eat healthy foods that help control blood glucose. By making diabetic-friendly food choices and using sensible and healthy preparation techniques, you can cook for a diabetic. For this healthy food preparation, you need 2 guavas, half cup fenugreek leaves, chopped onions, 1 small tomato, 1/4 of ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, coriander powder, mustard seeds, and curry leaves. Let us see the preparation. Boil fenugreek leaves in water for 5 minutes and keep it aside. Wash guava and cut into small pieces and keep it aside. Heat oil in a pan and temper mustard seeds and curry leaves and chopped onions. Saute a while and add chopped tomatoes. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Chopped guava, add ginger garlic paste, pinch of turmeric powder and coriander powder. Cook for 2 minutes and add boiled fenugreek leaves and cook for another 5 minutes. You can also add pinch of salt for taste and then remove from the heat and serve hot. Diabetes patients can consume this delicious curry with chapati or roti or with brown rice. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.